Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a very exciting review of the 2025 GMC Hummer EV SUV. That's right, the Hummer is back, but this time it's electric, and it's packing a lot of innovation. Let's take a closer look at this futuristic off-road machine, from its performance to its design, and everything in between. First, let's talk design. The 2025 Hummer EV SUV takes the iconic Hummer silhouette a big, bold, and aggressive A and gives it a sleek, modern electric twist, with its wide stance, sharp LED headlights, and that unmistakable grille. It looks like it's ready to tackle any challenge. This SUV is definitely built to stand out, but it's not just about looks. The Hummer EV SUV is designed for rugged terrain, with impressive ground clearance and a muscular frame that's made to take on boulders, mud, and even snow. Plus, with optional 35-inch tires, it can handle almost anything Mother Nature throws at it. Now, let's talk performance, because this is where the Hummer EV really shines. Powered by GMC's Ultium platform, the Hummer EV SUV boasts a 3-motor electric powertrain, producing up to a staggering 830 horsepower. This means it's not just about going off-road, it's about going fast and far. With a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of around 3.5 seconds, the Hummer EV SUV is quick off the line, and while it's fast, it's also highly capable off-road. The SUV comes with a variety of driving modes, including an exclusive crab mode that allows it to move diagonally, making it perfect for navigating tight spots and obstacles on tricky trails. Speaking of trails, this Hummer is engineered to handle extreme off-roading, thanks to features like adjustable air suspension, which gives you up to 15.9 inches of ground clearance. Whether you're climbing rocks or crossing a river, the Hummer EV SUV can keep you moving. Now, let's head inside. The cabin is just as impressive as the exterior, combining high-tech features with luxury. The Hummer EV SUV comes with a massive 13.4-inch touchscreen display and a 12.3-inch digital driver's display, both offering intuitive controls for navigation, music, and vehicle settings. Plus, there's available Super Cruise GMC's hands-free driving assistance system for a more relaxed highway experience. And for those who love their gadgets, the Hummer doesn't disappoint. You've got wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium audio system from Bose to make your off-roading experience as entertaining as it is exciting. But let's not forget how this is still an SUV designed for families and adventure. The Hummer EV SUV offers seating for up to 5, with plenty of room for luggage and gear, and with features like a spacious trunk and underfloor storage, you'll have plenty of room to bring everything you need for your next adventure. So, how much is this electric powerhouse going to set you back? Well, the 2025 GMC Hummer EV SUV starts at around $80,000 for the base model, but for the fully loaded, top-of-the-line edition one, you're looking at a price tag closer to $105,000. Yes, it's expensive, but when you consider the performance, technology, and off-road capability, it's a pretty solid package for those who want the best of both worlds. In conclusion, the 2025 GMC Hummer EV SUV is not just a vehicle, it's a statement. Whether you're tearing up trails or cruising on the highway, this electric beast offers a mix of power, luxury, and advanced tech that's hard to beat. It's the perfect choice for anyone looking to go off-grid without sacrificing comfort or performance. Thanks for tuning in. If you're as excited about the Hummer EV SUV as we are, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more reviews, and let us know in the comments, would you go electric with the Hummer? Until next time, drive safe and keep adventuring.